I wanted to show you a mole conversion between moles. So on our diagram, we're going to be starting at the mole circle, and then we're going to be going out to grams. And grams are out here. So what we need to do is calculate this molar mass in order to do this problem. So I've already done that. So in the question, it's calcium hydroxide. So there's one calcium. The molar mass on the periodic table is 40.08. Oxygen is, there's two of them, and the molar mass is 16. And then, oh, that's an error. There are two hydrogens, which are each molar mass of 1.01. So when you start any problem, always start with the number they give you and write that over 1. So I have 1 mole of calcium hydroxide, and you don't have to put the calcium hydroxide in the question, but I like to. I think it helps kind of down the road. So on my diagram, I'm going to go from mole out to mass. So I'm going to take the 74.10 grams per mole and rewrite it as there's that many grams in 1 mole. So now I can see more clearly that I'm going to multiply by 1 mole on the bottom, and the molar mass, 74.10 grams of calcium hydroxide, are in 1 mole of calcium hydroxide. And then you can see that the moles cancel, and I'm left with gram. So that's my unit. My answer, I'm going to want to have 2 significant figures because there are 2 in this beginning number. And so when I end up rounding, for this question, I end up with 68 grams.